For breaking news, go to iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. iDiskiTimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns liqanda linqa kwelinye liqanda kwi Ahly. Yaphumelela ke uMamelodi Sundowns kumjikelo wokuqala okanye kumlenze wokuqala womdlalo owandulela wamagqibela kaNqoyi. In the first leg of the semi-final, Mamelodi Sundowns have won 1-0. Bakhothene ke oXholovane amaqela amakhulu eAfrika kwaliwa kwajitshiswana izandla nengalo yaphumelela elasePitori iqela. Umnqweno ke ibinto aba njengoba lo mdlalo udlalwa ngensimbi yesithathu emini maqanda iqela langaphe iphutha belizawutshiswa lilanga kodwa ke yanetha imvula yatsica akavuma ke umdali nabantu bebhola kwadlalwa emvuleni kodwa iMamelodi Sundowns yaphumelela ke nalapho uJunior Khanye umhlalutyi wethu ubona njani umdlalo ndoda?
Inkululeko mafrala kunjani? Ngibulise lengwenye yethu Justice ngibulise no Die Hard ngada. Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one try to fix South African football. Amele ufunda indaba lapho. Indaba lezo sekuseni ngabuma 4 ekseni entathaku.
Basibiza ukuthi sama broadcasters ndoda. Sayishaya YouTube mara umuntu une background yabo radio nani so every now and then but Khanye ya papa ya mitsameko. I've heard you speak Sotho on Listen FM. So now uyangena kule media. How was the game for you? It was an arm wrestle. Both teams there was never tension because they know what the stakes are. Ahly played like a small team because they knew that if they go toe-to-toe with the Sundowns, they're going to lose 4. Last time they were here, they lost 5-2. So you don't want to lose the first leg in your first leg. You want to make sure that the game is still tight going into the second leg. Mara, the sacrifice they took today was that they didn't even give themselves a chance to go to Batole away goal. Sundowns, Maye Cairo are not going to be defensive in a Tole away goal.
Yeah, Nkululeko, this was a high-profile game feature. Both teams technically, very, very good. Both teams, very good two coaches in terms of the way answers and questions. Both coaches, Ahly coming to this game, it shows good basically game by respective Sundowns feature. You cannot play inside anyone like a pace it out. That's all. Came to this game, approach game a 4-3 coach, but everybody to come behind the defense. A system we born among Basusipole Center, especially Suicide Sundowns. But when they came, say Polal Roll movie came, everybody come behind it, behind the Afiniabo. Ngone unkumunta we Afiniabo Kulmangel Ahly. Hoping good to pass it out, Uzozanga Miracle him alone. No defense, no middle field side in the Ahly. I respect to Timba, but Tieng, I meant to say sorry. Timba is it's a former Stellenbosch player. Tieng, very good player, but I couldn't even see him. Push it looks last corner. Because of his space, Sundowns when they don't have a ball, people squeeze Ahly. You hardly see long ball go Sundowns switch Ngamanyamakama. Everybody ball along the circulator. Each having now, as it Sundowns have so many ball possession first half. They dominated the game. They build up slow. Malfigi ball middle they are slow. Basiculated ball are slow. Especially with that half, good last that. I mean to say. Good having Ninkinga nabo. Igi game pelling 0-0. I coach very like individual brilliance. Gamasego, no Serino and Mshishi as well. But now Mshishi is a player that can run off the ball. Ugrana speed. Munto on a speed that much. Munto more thinking. We are kabanga guna labanda by 2. But you've got to Sereno. I think coach very like go speed sake. Taking off my players way Ahly no Masego as well. But that didn't work because Masego first half it did udlalile umfana namhlanje compare wonke lama game. Since the boy has arrived Mamelodi Sundowns today he did very well, especially with the goal. Yeah, abono goalkeeper ngathatha isikhathi shy abambu goalkeeper asame off position. But good DStv Premiership is going to have a problem. Every time he got the ball it takes somebody on uyangaphandle. Everybody got the ball every time. It takes somebody going outside. It becomes predictable. But because of Ahly players didn't know him, especially Lobega Makile, bekuba problem ngoba beka bypassa alifake le ball libe dangerous. Compliment especially second half the coach emphasized ukuthi ngicela kula state in move ball quick, and it happened exactly that. Good goal njoba ngishilo mina Ahly, you gonna come to this game defending ukuthi okay sharp, either we get 0-0 noma sidliwa 1-0. Mawuma lapha Sundowns was gonna get the goal. You've got ama players smart too much, individually they can think without being coached. Mangapeka le ball akusi coaching, le ball alibambile uMaseko ubonile goalkeeper of position wambamba, and without uthatha isikhathi epholeni. Good goal from Umchita, good technique, good power behind the ball. It was a good goal, and unfortunately umdiba ngale ball lela libambile nalo bamnike ispace ngoba I think ucoach ubatshelile sekona futhi anthatha ama shot ibambile umkwena goalkeeper albamba lamthola ku right position walibamba umdiba. Almost a goal, just slightly, almost a goal. And I began to goalkeeper suga corner. And none other than that, didn't come to the party. Ahly to the game. We go with a draw 0-0. Yeah. Even if we lose 1-0. It was a poor Ahly. But I think we game 5. Both the legs, they 5-1 or 5-0 and 5-2. They knew pound to pound they can't make Sundowns. The Ahly. Bayazi ukuthi Sundowns is one of the great good team, especially Africa as a continent. Technically you can't match them. It's just that maybe by increase the speed man. Security pole yafin last that. Rulani must emphasize that. Being a bit of cautious masapo akho Rulani, special putting zoom. Ngimbonile kwama game amanye mfakile as a sub mangene tropic game. Nyamthanda uzungu, but since he has come abroad bekunale element ukuthi abe slow nyana ukungadlali match fitness, but namhlanje ngibonile much better from him. Unfortunate situation for Neo Mayema ngadlali. Neo a very good player, very talented. I thought mina maba eliminator lesikhathi bakhipha uSerino, mina bengithi uzomeka uSerino eliminate umshishi afake Neo Mayema ukuthi it's between umshishi noMayema no khona kumele ahlale ngaphandle. Good game kuleko standard of football, standard of football, tactical, technical as well. Good Sundowns, good, one of the best game I think they played. After the game le ngibabonile badlala final la South Africa MTN8, also the game they played Colena Rose le baye badliwa. I think TX Galaxy, I mean to say ngama penalty they draw to a game in, but that game they did very well ngama player that they're not playing regularly, but kule game namhlanje these players they show up, they show good back capable ukwenzana. Yeah.
What do you think the game is at the moment? Because I think Ahly miscalculated today. Sometimes you sit down as a technical team uzibuza ukuthi kumele senze njani la. Okokuqala siyazi ukuthi the last time we were here shy we were 5-2. So they are better than us. They conceded ukuthi Sundowns engcono kunathi. That's why ball possession was 75%, 25%. And they were happy Ahly ukuthi badlale kuyafi yabo. My problem with that is that kule calculation yabo yokuthi kungcono kube u-0-0 or 1-0, they actually didn't calculate ukuthi Sundowns izokore away goal, because I believe Sundowns will score in Cairo ngolesithathu. In 3 days time they will score an away goal. Where do you think this game is at? It's 1-0 at the moment. Yes, Ahly yasokolisa at home, mara there's VAR there. If it's a penalty, it's a penalty, whether you like it or not. And we tournament here carefully. So it's not like Ahly league yayo domestically where they can manipulate if VAR nanan. I think Sundowns are good for 1 goal away from home. I think Ahly should have tried to get an away goal nabo. Ngoba manje basenkingeni. Sundowns yakora 1, then Ahly kumele win 3-1 in that game. They have to score 3 goals. Sundowns yakora 1.
Yeah, this is a different Ahly team compared to previously. Le team le banama tactics. Kunale element ukuthi when you attack them, when you go 50-50 they go down.
Yeah.
Ukuthi manqeda ukora. Yes, manqeda ukora, what they do ukuthi buyele ku VR. As usho kuleague yabo on when you play or when you play against them ku Champions League Cairo, they get away with that. Now it's here. These players, not to say good, they are not, these are not These players, they are not good. Yes, they are good players, but not compared to Ahly living years, 4 years ago when Pitts was there as well. Yes, majority are con, but in some, yes, they are new players. But true, pound to pound with Sundowns, they can't match. They see. They saw coming here, getting 5 now away. I think by 25, if not mistaken.
It was 2-2 away.
2-2 away. Yeah. But the dominant Sundowns dominated the game. Yeah. In terms of domination, and they're able to score 2 goals, plus dominate as well, and create chances. We're gonna come with our tactics, and truly speaking, our tactics are about favor with their own VAR, Badala Cairo, and for sure, lento abo referee compliment to this referee. Namhlanje, yes, kuna ma mistake on the but compliment to him, good to strong. These guys, they were doing it even today. 50-50, ohlala phansi. I-step i-attack-ini omunye ureferee charge le nto leya okanyani-ke going backwards manqeda ukore and attack goal bayenza and nalento ukuthi isandlanyana esebusweni they sit down for you to get the first yellow card early and then going forward a red card indlala inshota iyenzekile Simba if
opening of the scale
yes, that was a yellow card, but into big danger ukuthi they keep on mabaya lapha kuye lo muntu ukuthi umntu was very smart na ukuthi angatholakala kuma 50-50 bekalwina nje ibhola very easily ko adila ngama 1-1 bengiconcern mina ukuthi urula namkhiphe ngoba anything 50-50 okanye baye umuntu othanda ukusebenzisa izandla is got speed yakwasidila nge1v1 but lengwenya lezi banama tactics ukuthi bamthenga ureferee bebangayitholi red card. So compliment going to this game just kuphendula
the second leg.
Sundowns it's going through final definitely. After scoring today, it was a wrong mentality to come to this game and say we're going to sit back and Sundowns 0-0 if they score 1-0 pound to pound even playing Sundowns succeeded team as well. It in as Pagi pass.
They're going to play the same way.
The experience of this tournament for them helps. The experience, especially these players. Unomshishi, Nae, Umkwena, we've got Renan Williams, it's always been called Bafana. These players, Bafana International, Udlali Champions League. So the experience, danger. Going there, they're going to play the same. And getting a goal right, they're going to get quality. And Lucas Repair is going to be packed, I believe. And Shalulile, those Sundowns, they don't need out and out strikers. Repair coming back, no Shalulile. Even 1 or 2 they can call. Sundowns going to win, Kulego throw 1-1. But going all the way to final, yeah.
All right. It's the AFL competition. Mamelodi Sundowns have won their first leg, 1-0. Ahly, you had an opportunity. You played 90 minutes away from home. Make something out of that. In the quarterfinals, Ahly Simba 2-2 at Tanzania. And then Cairo, Badala 1-1, which is the reason why Ahly were in the semi-final. That's the importance here away goal. It was 2-2 at Tanzania. Ahly scored 2 away goals. And then this week, on Tuesday or Wednesday, Badala 1-1. And that's how you win. Like, you try and get an away goal, although that's not easy, of course, because they still have memories. These are the same players last year as Ahly. They still remember that they lost 5-2. So in their minds, they thought, maybe let's keep it. Let's keep it open. Let's keep it alive after the first leg. So it's still alive, but my opinion is that Sundowns will score an away goal, and then if they score an away goal, you have to score 3 goals. We shall see on Wednesday. We'll be here at 8 p.m. That's the only game we'll cover on Wednesday, 8 p.m. The second leg of the semi-final between Ahly and Mamelodi Sundowns in Cairo. It is iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, all sports betting. Thank you for watching us.